Don't get all excited. Take a little bit at a time. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I honestly don't remember that part. Yeah. Who's got a jippus?
What are we looking for?
No directions.
So that's where we parked. We came down here. Now we're at this crack, right?
Oh, is that showing a woods road?
Yeah, and here's the trail over here. The red is the AT.
Yeah, but I think we want to get to the AT over here.
Yeah, but it's not that we want to close. We want to parallel the AT for about a quarter mile.
Let's try this route. Okay, half of you go this way.
Yeah. Which half takes the?
We'll go down
tool?
here. But
which one takes the wheelbarrow?
Nice. What do you got? We can trundle down.
Do we want anybody to go the other way or not really?
I think we want.
We all get lost together?
Yeah, we should stick with one another. Well, I was amazed at how abused it got just in the one game.
Huh? Nice scouting.
Oh yeah. What the blazes we doing here?
Branch.
I hear voices. Yeah, it would have been great. I was just hoping to use this one for a backup.
That'll give me a chance to do some work.
What do you mean? You think we can get the other one by tomorrow?
Well, see, I lined them up before I cut them. So.
Oh, they might be. Yeah, okay, I see what you mean.
Okay, so that's that. So I guess there's nothing left to do but fill the holes and
Clean the holes and put it in, huh?
put them in.
All right. That looks like enough, huh?
Now we're going to call it enough. Go ahead and slap that puppy in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's nice. Tippy tappy. Yep. 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 Very good. Very.
I think that's it.
What's the proper procedure here?
Brand new, you're starting it out.
Yeah, put your hand there and back down the ladder, just like you were. Nice work. You were pretty solid. Oh yeah, I mean, whoa! Yeah, yeah.
And we had to get a hiker with a sense of humor to start off. Follow the trail. Take your left though.